Imagine waking up to a new view every morning. This is the magic of RV living. Welcome to Mojo Review's Ultimate RV Guide, a guide that will unravel this magic for you, whether you're just starting or have been on this road for a while. RV living is more than just a way to travel. It's a lifestyle that offers unparalleled freedom and a wealth of unique experiences. It's about waking up to the sun rising over a mountain range, sipping your morning coffee while overlooking a serene lake, or falling asleep to the sound of waves crashing on a beach. Every day in an RV is a new adventure waiting to happen. In this guide, we'll delve into the vast world of RV living. We'll explore the ins and outs of this lifestyle, from the initial decision to buy an RV to the intricacies of full-time living on the road. We'll share tips and tricks that seasoned RVers swear by, and we'll help you avoid common pitfalls that can take the fun out of your journey. We'll even introduce you to some other RV channels that offer expert advice and insights. We'll discuss dry camping and boondocking, two exciting aspects of RV living that open up a whole new world of possibilities for your travels. We'll guide you through the myriad of RV mods that can enhance your life on the road, making your RV not just a vehicle but a comfortable, personalized home. And of course, we'll give you a glimpse into the thriving RV community, a diverse group of people who share a love for the open road and the freedom it brings. From dispersed camping in national parks to maintaining your RV in top shape, we've got you covered. We'll also talk about the different types of RVs available so you can find the one that fits your needs and lifestyle best. Join Mojo Reviews on this journey as we uncover the secrets of successful RV living. Whether you're a full-time RVer or just starting out, you're in for an exciting ride, so buckle up and let's hit the road. Wisdom comes from experience, and luckily we have some seasoned RVers ready to share theirs. Now let's dive into the vast ocean of knowledge that is the world of RV YouTube channels. Much like Mojo Reviews, these channels are treasure troves of information, advice, and first-hand experiences shared by RV enthusiasts who've been in your shoes. Take the Getaway couple, for instance. Ray and Jason's adventures with their furry companion Carmen are not just entertaining but also insightful. Their channel is brimming with practical advice on everything from RV maintenance to budgeting, and even tips on traveling with pets. Next up, we have Grand Design RV. This channel is a must-follow for anyone who owns or is thinking about getting a Grand Design RV. Their in-depth walkthroughs of different models and features, as well as troubleshooting tips, can be a real game-changer for first-time RVers. And let's not forget Happily Ever Hanks. If you're looking for a channel that combines travel adventures with lifestyle tips, this one's for you. From cooking recipes to renovation projects, the Hanks offer a glimpse into the day-to-day life of full-time RVers. But these are just the tip of the iceberg. There are countless other channels out there, each with their unique take on RV life. Channels like Keep Your Daydream, Nomadic Fanatic, and Less Junk More Journey are just a few more examples of the fantastic resources available at your fingertips. So, why is it important to tune into these channels? Well, we all offer our own real-life perspectives and practical advice that can help you avoid common pitfalls. They're also a great source of inspiration for your own RV adventures. Whether it's finding the perfect campsite or learning how to fix a leaky faucet, these channels have got you covered. And remember, everyone was a beginner at some point. These seasoned RVers have been through the ups and downs, and their willingness to share their experiences can provide invaluable guidance for your journey. As we can see, there's a wealth of knowledge out there, and we're just getting started. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's continue our journey into the fascinating world of RV living. Ready for an off-grid adventure? Let's dive into dry camping and boondocking. Dry camping, also known as boondocking, is about enjoying your RV lifestyle without the luxury of hookups. It's camping in its purest form, where you're reliant on your RV's self-contained systems. The beauty of this style of camping is the freedom it provides. You can park your home on wheels in remote, scenic locations, away from crowded campgrounds, but it's not without its challenges. You need to carefully manage your water, power, and waste systems. For first-timers, it's important to plan ahead. Make sure you have enough water and power supplies, and consider investing in solar panels or a generator for your energy needs. Always respect the environment and follow leave no trace principles. Armed with these insights, you're well on your way to a successful off-grid adventure. Every RVer has a story to tell about a mistake they've made. Let's learn from them. Many of us have heard the adage, measure twice, cut once. This holds true in the world of RVing too. Always double-check your route before hitting the road. Low bridges, narrow roads, and weight restrictions can be a nightmare for RVers, so it's always a good idea to use a GPS designed for RVs that consider these factors. Next up is to never ignore your RV's weight limit. Overloading your RV can lead to tire blowouts, poor fuel efficiency, and even structural damage. Make sure to weigh your RV after it's fully loaded to ensure you're within the safe weight limit. Water is essential, but it can also be a culprit when it comes to RV mishaps. A common mistake is not properly understanding your RV's water systems. From the fresh water tank to the gray and black water tanks, each plays a vital role in your RV living experience. Moving on, let's talk about power. Many new RVers are surprised to learn that they can't run everything at once when hooked up to a 30-amp service. Understanding your RV's electrical system and managing your power consumption can help prevent tripped breakers and potential electrical damage. Lastly, don't rush into buying the first RV you see. Take your time to research, visit multiple dealerships, and consider renting different types of RVs first. This will help you understand what works best for your lifestyle before making a significant investment. And here's a bonus tip. Don't forget to have fun. RVing is about enjoying the journey, not just the destination. It's okay to make mistakes. They are part of the learning process and can lead to great stories to share around the campfire. Remember, even the most experienced RVers make mistakes. The key is to learn from them. Thinking about making the leap to full-time RVing? We've got some tips for you. Full-time RV living is like no other lifestyle. It's both challenging and rewarding, offering a life of adventure and constant change. It's about embracing the open road, the unknown, and the freedom that comes with it. One of the first things to consider is the transition. This is not just a vacation, it's a complete lifestyle change. It's important to take time to adjust and find your rhythm. Remember, it's not a race, it's a journey. Take the time to enjoy it. Next, let's talk about the importance of planning. Sure, the idea of wandering aimlessly might sound appealing, but without a plan, you could find yourself in some tricky situations. Keep a schedule, but also allow for flexibility. The beauty of RV living is the ability to change plans at a moment's notice. Another crucial tip is to stay organized. Space is at a premium in an RV, so make every square inch count. Get creative with storage solutions and remember, less is more. The less you have, the less you have to worry about. Now let's touch on the subject of connectivity. Staying connected while on the road can be a challenge. Researching the best mobile hotspots and data plans is essential for those who work on the go or like to stay in touch with family and friends. Don't forget about the importance of taking breaks. Just because your home is on wheels doesn't mean you have to be constantly moving. Take time to explore the areas you visit, rest, and recharge. Lastly, remember to embrace the community. The RV community is a welcoming and helpful one. Don't be afraid to ask for help or advice. Everyone was a beginner once. Full-time RVing is a lifestyle change, but with the right preparation, it can be the adventure of a lifetime. Your RV is your home on wheels. Let's talk about how to keep it in top shape. Just like your stationary home, an RV requires regular care and maintenance. But don't fret. With a bit of knowledge and a touch of diligence, you can keep your RV running smoothly for years to come. First things first, let's talk about tires. They bear the weight of your home and are crucial for safe travels. Check the tire pressure before each trip and make sure they're not worn out. Replace them every 5 to 7 years, even if they look fine. Remember, looks can be deceiving. Next, let's tackle the RV's exterior. Regularly wash your RV to prevent dirt and grime from damaging the paint and sealants. Consider waxing it once or twice a year to give it that extra layer of protection. And don't forget to check the roof regularly for any cracks or leaks. Inside your RV, keep an eye out for any signs of water damage. This could be anything from discoloration to a musty smell. If you spot anything unusual, it's time to get it checked out. Also, be sure to clean your air filters regularly to maintain good air quality. Now let's talk about the heart of your RV, the engine. Regular oil changes are a must. The general rule of thumb is every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, or at least once a year. And don't forget about the other fluids like brake, transmission, and coolant. Your RV's electrical system is another vital area to monitor. Check your batteries, make sure your lights are working, and always have a spare fuse on hand. Lastly, don't neglect your RV's plumbing. Regularly empty and clean your waste tanks and use RV-friendly toilet paper to avoid clogs. Remember, the key to successful RV maintenance is consistency. Regular checkups can help spot potential issues before they become major problems. Proper maintenance is the key to a long and happy life on the road. RV living is about more than just the vehicle. It's about embracing a new way of life. It's about the open road, the sense of freedom, and the joy of discovering new places. This lifestyle might seem like a giant leap into the unknown, but let's assure you, it's a journey worth taking. Imagine waking up to a new view outside your window every day. One day it's a serene lakeside, the next it's a majestic mountain range. The beauty of the RV lifestyle is the diversity it offers. No 2 days are alike, and every sunrise brings with it a new adventure. But it's not just about the places you'll see, it's also about the people you'll meet. The RV community is a tight-knit group of adventurers who share a love for the open road. They're always ready to lend a helping hand, share a fun story, or offer a valuable tip. They understand the thrill of the journey, the excitement of the unknown, and the satisfaction of a life lived on one's own terms. So, how do you embrace this lifestyle? Start by being open to new experiences. Don't be afraid to venture off the beaten path. Try dry camping in the wilderness or boondocking at a scenic spot. Remember, the best experiences often lie outside your comfort zone. Maintain your RV well, as it is not just a vehicle but your home on wheels. Regular maintenance will ensure that your journey is smooth and hassle-free. And when things do go awry, as they sometimes will, remember that every challenge is a learning opportunity. Finally, remember to enjoy the journey as much as the destination. The RV lifestyle is about the freedom to explore, the joy of discovery, and the thrill of the open road. It's about living life on your own terms, at your own pace. Embrace the freedom, the community, and the open road. Welcome to RV living. We've covered a lot of ground today, but the journey is just beginning. From the wisdom of seasoned RVers and the best RV channels, to the thrill of dry camping and boondocking, we've dipped our toes into the vast ocean of RV living. We've explored the potential pitfalls and how to avoid them, discussed the nuances of full-time RV lifestyle, and delved into the importance of regular RV maintenance. Remember, each RV journey is unique, and yours will be too. Don't be disheartened by the mistakes, they're stepping stones to becoming an experienced RVer. Embrace the freedom of the open road, the community, and the lifestyle that comes with it. Continue exploring, learning, and growing in your RV living journey. Thanks for joining Mojo Reviews on this journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, happy RVing!